So it's a very sunny day, and we're by the construction site. And I guess they brought water in to reassuring they got struck, and that's gonna be water. It's a water pipe. It just came, so we're gonna have to go around with the pinch right here and see if he doesn't get scared. It's gonna be a water pipe. Oh, pinch, get over here. That's the thing about going around is the cars that are coming on the street, and that's in danger, but ain't in danger because he likes to be in the middle of the street. And yeah, they're working, construction's going on. Today was trash day, that's why there's a whole bunch of buckets on the streets today. Look at that.